So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Square of binomials. The result of the square of a binomial is a perfect square trinomial. In the given square of binomial, the quantity x minus y squared, it is equal to x times x, that is x squared, copy negative, copy 2, and then times x times y. Negative times negative, that is positive. Y times y, that is y squared. So, the square of binomial, if this is negative, the perfect square trinomial, that is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. In the given square of binomial, if this is positive, the quantity x plus y squared, so it is equal to x times x, that is x squared, copy positive, copy 2, and then x times y. Positive times positive, that is positive. Y times y, that is y squared. So this is square of binomial, the perfect square trinomial, that is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So kung titignan nyong mabuti, ang pagkakaiba lang ng formula kapag negative, so negative. Kung positive to, positive. But then yung pinakadulo, the sign must be positive. So let us evaluate the following in number 1. The quantity 3x plus 4y square. So it means 3x square. So 3 square times x square. So this is positive. So positive times 2. So positive times 2 times 3x times 4y. So positive times positive, that is positive 4y squared. So it means 4 squared y squared. So 3 times 3, that is 9, copy x squared. 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. 6 times 4, that is 24. And then copy the variable, that is positive 24xy. Plus 4 times 4, so that is equal to 16. And then copy y squared. So this perfect square trinomial, that is 9x squared plus 24xy plus 16y squared. How about number 2? The quantity 5x minus 2y squared. So it means 5x squared. So 5 squared times x squared. So the sign is negative, copy 2. So negative times 2 times 5x times 2y. Negative times negative, that is positive. So positive 2y squared. So positive 2 squared y squared. So let us multiply. 5 times 5, that is 25. Copy x squared. Negative times 2. So negative 2 times 5, that is negative 10. Negative 10 times 2, that is negative 20. Copy xy. So negative 20xy. Plus 2 times 2, that is 4. Copy y squared. So the perfect square trinomial of this binomial, that is 25x squared minus 20xy plus 4y squared. How about number 3? The quantity 2a plus 7b squared. So it means 2a squared, so that is 2 squared, a squared, plus, copy 2, so plus 2 times 2a times 7b plus 7b squared, so it means 7 squared b squared. So let us multiply 2 times 2, that is 4, copy a squared. 2 times 2, that is 4, times 7, so that is positive 28, copy ab. Plus 7 times 7, that is 49, and then copy b squared. So it means the perfect square trinomial of this binomial, it is 4a squared plus 28ab plus 49b squared. How about number 4? The quantity a plus 6x squared. So it means a squared, so copy a squared, and then plus 2 times a times 6x Positive times positive, that is positive 6x squared. So it means 6 square x squared. So copy a squared. So let us multiply positive 2 times 6, that is positive 12. Copy the variable ax. So positive 12ax. 6 times 6, that is 36x squared. So the square binomial of a plus 6x squared, the answer for the perfect square trinomial, that is a squared plus 12ax plus 36x squared. How about number 5? The quantity 2x plus 3y squared. So it means 2x squared. So that is 2 squared x squared plus 2 times 2x times 3y. Positive times positive, that is positive 3 square and then y squared. 2 times 2, that is 4, copy x squared. 2 times 2, that is 4, times 3, that is 12xy, so positive 12xy. 3 times 3, that is equal to 9, so plus 9y squared. So the perfect square trinomial of the quantity 2x plus 3y squared, that is 4x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.